Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy. It's Sunday, November 18th, 2018, and it's weigh-in day. Welcome back, everyone. I'm so excited that you have come to check in on me and see how I'm doing on this ketogenic way of eating. This week actually went really well for me. As you can see, I did get my braces. I talked about it on my live chat on Tuesday for those of you who were there. I'm pretty happy with them so far. I haven't had any pain. It has been pretty easy, and I've only had to do the top ones and not the bottom ones yet, so that's really nice. I hope that my brace face doesn't bother you guys too much when I'm talking. I think I'm still speaking pretty well. There's a little bit of lisp going on occasionally, but I think for the most part, I'm pretty satisfied with how they are doing. I had a lovely Sunday today. The kids and I have been making a great video for hide and seek for Thanksgiving today, and I cannot wait. It is going to be so sweet and so cute, and I'm just really looking forward to sharing it with you guys. We've had a great Sunday. We just got back from church. We filmed a little bit. And so I just wanted to come and check in with you guys and let you know what the weigh-in was this morning. Eating-wise, things went really well for me this week. Getting the braces on kind of helped because I don't really want to have to worry about eating when I have them on because you never know when they might get dirty or something might get stuck in them. And so that's a high motivation for me not snacking off plan or getting into the nuts and seeds. I can't eat nuts anymore. I can't eat my sugar-free gummy bears. Did I just say gummy bears? I can't eat my sugar-free gummy bears. So there's a few things that I'm not able to consume with braces on that are helping me out a little bit. I felt like I did a pretty good job this week. I didn't track. I did eat a lot more fat. I'm trying to stay a little bit more on the maintaining side of the calories. And so I did add some heavy whipping cream to my drinks and had a few keto cakes here and there. I didn't necessarily film all of that. I tried to do the best I could, but it has also been a crazy weekend. I didn't film every single thing that I ate, though I did film my main meals. But sometimes I ended up adding a keto cake later, or I ended up adding Creo brew with heavy whipping cream and forgot to film it, or it wasn't done in time, or I just didn't think about it, that kind of thing. So I am eating a few more calories than normal, which is what I planned to do, as you guys well know, and so I'm very happy with what I have done this week. I feel like I've stuck to my maintenance plan really well, and I am looking forward to Thanksgiving. It's going to be so wonderful. We have a great menu planned out. Most of my siblings are now keto. There are at least 3 out of the 6 who are doing keto, so that is going to be fun. So we are trying to make our Thanksgiving menu as ketogenic friendly as possible, and I'm really looking forward to it, and it's going to be fun. Now, see what happens when you guys set the great example of being healthy during the holidays. Sometimes people decide to join you and it becomes a group thing, and that becomes really fun. So anyway, all that ado and whatnot, let us get to the weigh-in. Okay, so you guys just saw that I weighed in today at 187.5, and I wanted to give you guys some perspective on what that looks like. I have lost literally half of my body, and apparently my entire 16-year-old son, because he hopped on the scale just now and he's 187.2. So not only do we weigh the same, I literally used to carry him around on my back all day long, every day. How did I do that? I can't even believe it. It's just amazing. I met my goal. My goal was to make it to half my body weight, and I'm super excited. And guess what? This is the funny thing. My brother has been doing keto. He's lost 25 pounds, and he hit 187 today too. Good job, James. Woo! I'm very proud of him, and it's super exciting that we're all the same today. It's kind of a 187 kind of day. Can you even believe that, you guys? I have lost my 6 foot 1 inch, 187 pound kid off my body. I never in a million years dreamed that I would make it to the halfway point. It seemed like the hugest, most giant pipe dream that could ever happen, and it happened! I'm super excited. Granted, I still have that last little half pound, but I'm not really going to count that because I feel like I've made it. I saw a 187 on the scale, and that's close enough. As it turns out, I mentioned in the clip before, my brother has also hit 187 today, which just made me laugh so hard because it's like we're all triplets or something. 187 is what to weigh today, apparently. Who else weighs 187? If you weigh 187 today, I'm dying to know. You must put it in the comments below. That would be just too funny. There's a lot of people that weigh 187 today in my family, and so that is just making me giggle a little bit today. So I hope you enjoyed this little update, and I hope you guys' Thanksgiving is going to go well. As far as now, I am still planning to do the live chat. I will try and let you guys know if something comes up and that doesn't happen. I want to say that there might be something going on Tuesday that I am forgetting. So as far as I know at this moment, I am planning on still continuing with the live chat this week, despite it being the Thanksgiving holiday, because I know that you guys are still going to want to chit chat about your Thanksgiving food and what's on the menu. And that's probably going to be the subject matter for Tuesday's chat. So I hope I will see you guys then. If that doesn't work out, I'm sure I will still be seeing you again. Don't forget to check out the Facebook page if you haven't already. Don't forget to like this video if you're happy about me making it to halfway. Don't forget to comment and let me know how excited you are. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, because we have a lot more fun things planned for this following year. You just wait. It is going to get exciting up in here. So if you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come back for the next update and for the next meal video and for all of the fun entertainment that we give each other in this little keto community. Thanks for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you again soon.